So, vedi, i coperchini glieli ho riverniciati perché i coperchini erano rovinati troppo. We disassembled the carburetor and cleaned them with ultrasound bath, and also with different cleaning systems so we can get all the dirt off, because each dirt needs a different cleaning system. At the end we use this carburetor cleaner from Putoline. It's very strong, and I leave it sink in the dirt a little bit more, and then I'm going to brush it again. The vacuum valve are this aftermarket plastic. They are very bad, and also they have holes inside, so this is going to be replaced. And the cutoff valve also, they are melted, so there must be something wrong, because I never seen this before. They're very bad quality. So we're going to change everything. We start taking apart the motorbike. We found the silicone on the rear cylinder head cover gasket. The cracks on the gasket. This is still soft, but the cracks makes the gasket leaking. There are is something that happens very often on this old engine. Instead of changing it, they just put some silicone, and it's dangerous, because if it goes inside the engine, it can close the oil line. So never use silicone, just very, very thin film. Also, we remove the carburetors. They need overhauled. These manifolds are hard as wood, you know, and we are gonna put new manifold. The air filter was bad. Inside the airbox there is all sort of junk in the other side, because this bike has been standing still for a long time, so probably insects make their nest inside the airbox. Radiators are in bad shape outside, but they are not leaking, so probably we are going just to clean up and repaint them. So we removed the radiator, and we will save the fan, which is looks in bad shape, but it's working. So we will clean up the rust, brush it very well, and repaint it, and we'll reuse it on the new radiator. This one, as you can see, is completely oxidized, so it cannot be reused. But the worst thing is not outside, is inside. If you put liquid inside here, it won't come out here, so it's completely stuck. So unfortunately we have to throw it away. As you can see, this rubber are old and they shrink a bit, so we are going to change all of this. The bearing also need to be changed. They don't spin, as you can see. We're gonna change so all the rubber, the bearings, clean up everything, and that's what we did on the front wheel. We changed the bearings, and because the spokes were oxidized, we paint with this zinc paint, so they will protect and prevent for further rust.